Welcome back. You're tuned into the mid-cap radar. So holding steady for the markets with a cut of close to 1%, but Idea Cellular is another stock that should come up for you. Now the stock was down under pressure already through the day, but now it has taken a vertical decline, trading close to the low point of the day. But another mid-cap on our radar right now is Monte Carlo, which posted a decent growth on the top line. And the Sandeep Jain, the executive director of the company, joins us on the phone line. Thanks a lot for joining us, Sandeep. And first of all, wishing you a very happy Diwali. But your top line growth of about 9%, can you break this up for us in terms of your winter products and summer products? How much of the growth came in by your winter products and your summer products?
Around 30% was from winter product and 70% from cotton products, the growth part.
Okay, 70% from winter products. Okay. Considering that in the first half of the year, Mr. Jain, you've only done a revenue growth of 3.3%. What are you likely to end the year with? Because once when we'd spoken to you, you were hoping to end the year with a revenue growth of 15 to 20%. Now that looks a bit ambitious, right?
No, basically we gave a guidance of 10 to 15% at the start of the year, and we still stand by the guidance. Seeing the kind of dispatches we are having right now for the winter wear products, and also seeing the trend of booking which is happening right now for the summers, we are hopeful that we'll be ending the year with double-digit growth.
Okay.
And we'll be maintaining our EBITDA as well.
At 22 to 24%.
Pardon?
Your margins you will maintain at 22 to 24%. Is that your guidance?
Yes, we're definitely going to maintain our margins.
All right, but tell you what, moving away from your income statement to your balance sheet, your short-term borrowings have really shot up, coming at 100 crore versus 39.2 crores seen in March. Is that seasonal, or can you explain that?
It is seasonal. You cannot compare the March quarter borrowing with the September quarter borrowing. So when seasonal product, so you have to compare the September 14 borrowing with the September 15 borrowing.
So can you give us Can you give us the breakup for as compared in September 2014 then?
Yeah, just a minute.
Okay, Mr. Jain, in the meanwhile, let's try and get into...
The September 14 borrowing was 109.08 and September 15 borrowing is 101.69.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you could just tell us what was the growth in your winter products and what was the growth in the summer products?
See, in winter wear, as far as our woolen business is concerned, we are hoping for a single-digit growth this year. And as far as our cotton products are concerned, we are seeing a trend of 15 to 20%. So overall growth, what we see for a brand is around double-digit growth, which should be 10 to 15%.
Okay.
All right. A large part of your margins were also contributed by the fact that you cut down on your ad expenditure year on year by about 29%. Do you maintain the 2.5-3 crore rupees per quarter ad expenditure going forward?
What happened last quarter was that most of the advertising and marketing expense have been booked in the first quarter. And this year it has come down. This quarter it has come down. But overall, we still maintain our guidance of 4 to 5% of ad expense over the revenues.
Okay, Mr. Jain, we'll leave it at that. Thanks again for joining in. Our pleasure, and happy Diwali to you. So that's the word from Monte Carlo Fashions. They're expecting a double-digit growth at least in FY16.